We found that in Hong Kong, patients needed to have revascularization and to have debridement or amputation. What we have done is to try and combine these two surgeries into one.
原本係兩科唔同嘅專科嘅手術啦，而家合一，其實咁樣係好咁樣造福啲病人，因為啲病人就唔需要去做多重嘅手術、多重嘅麻醉，而一次過就得到最好嘅治療。
We have early referrals for those urgent patients to see them within a few days. We have a one-stop clinic to do the adequate assessment, including bedside ultrasound, vascular laboratory non-invasive measurements, including the ankle brachial index, the transcutaneous pressure of oxygen, to have an early diagnosis, and we have a protocol-based management to aim for early surgery within 48 hours.
身為一個年輕嘅外科醫生 Samuel 佢好有遠見，佢會主動咁去解決問題，希望提升醫療服務嘅質素。佢會主動咁尋求幫助，同埋同其他同事一齊合作，等每一位病人都接觸到最好嘅治療方案。